In a world where the average smartphone contains more computing power than NASA's Apollo guidance computer, imagine if scientists could now control individual atoms to build microscopic machines. How long until these nanofactories start assembling our daily objects from nothing but raw materials? The future is closer than you think, and tonight we delve into the mind-bending possibilities inside tomorrow's lab. In the heart of our modern era, where scientific curiosity meets technological prowess, we find ourselves standing on the threshold of tomorrow's lab. Here, amidst gleaming equipment and intricate circuits, lies a realm of endless possibilities. Today's narrative will unravel the complexities that lie beneath this surface, guiding us through layers of mystery with logic as our compass. Imagine stepping into an unassuming building at dawn, its windows glow softly under the early light. Inside, we are greeted by walls lined with shelves filled to bursting point, each a testament to human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of knowledge. Atop one such shelf rests what appears to be a small box, no larger than my hand, encased in glass. This is not just any ordinary device, it represents the cutting edge of tomorrow's lab. Upon closer inspection, we notice that this box houses an array of intricate components, tiny wires crisscrossing like miniature roads, sensors whispering their secrets through faint hums, and microchips shimmering under the light, each piece meticulously crafted to perform its unique function. These are not mere tools, they are the enigmatic keys unlocking future doors. To understand how these pieces fit together requires a journey into their inner workings, a labyrinth of logic and imagination where each element serves as both puzzle and key. Let us begin our exploration with the heart, literally. In this case, it's a device called an artificial cardiac pacemaker. This small marvel controls the rhythm of hearts by sending electrical impulses at precise intervals. Imagine if we could program these impulses to adapt dynamically based on real-time data from within the body itself. That is precisely what today's lab aims to achieve through advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques. Each heartbeat, every slight change in blood pressure inside tomorrow's lab, cutting-edge tech revealed. Part 7. In the heart of a bustling city, tucked away in an unassuming building on the edge of. Before we continue solving this mystery, the people who keep searching for answers are the ones who move the world forward. Welcome to Mystery Logic. Innovation lies what could be called a modern-day alchemist's workshop. This lab is where tomorrow meets today with technology that defies our current understanding and promises to change everything. The first time I stepped into this facility was like entering another world. Entirely dimly lit corridors filled with flickering neon signs, each one advertising some arcane form of cutting-edge research. The air buzzed with the low hum of machinery, as if every piece were in a perpetual state of anticipation for what's next. At the center of it all is Dr. Eliza Voss, a woman whose eyes sparkle with an unquenchable curiosity and passion. Dr. Voss led me to her workbench, where various devices lay scattered about: a holographic display showing intricate molecular structures, a bioluminescent plant that glows under UV light, and robotic arms moving in perfect harmony, almost as if they had minds of their own. She gestured toward one device, its surface pulsing with colorful lights. "This," she said softly yet confidently, "is the quantum nanobuilder. It's not just a machine, it's an entire ecosystem designed to manipulate matter at the quantum level. Imagine being able to create complex molecules or even small objects out of thin air, literally constructing them atom by atom. This is where we are right now." The device works on principles that boggle the mind. Using quantum entanglement, it links particles across vast distances almost instantaneously. It's like having a microscopic construction site in your pocket, with all materials and instructions arriving exactly inside tomorrow's lab. The cutting-edge tech is not just a collection of futuristic gadgets but a labyrinth where mysteries are uncovered through logic. Today we delve into the heart of these scientific marvels with an eye for detail and curiosity. The lab itself is a maze of glass walls and gleaming metal surfaces, bathed in soft blue light that makes everything appear almost ethereal. At its center stands a machine that looks like it belongs to another world, a device capable of manipulating matter at the molecular level. This isn't just any piece of equipment, this is where tomorrow's reality begins. Sherlock Holmes would have appreciated such precision, for here every detail matters. The heart of the operation lies in a room filled with screens displaying complex patterns and graphs that seem to dance before your eyes. These aren't mere data points but keys unlocking the secrets of creation itself. A scientist steps forward wearing gloves made from an unknown material, her hands deftly manipulating what appear to be tiny machines smaller than grains of sand. She explains how these nanobots can enter cells and alter their behavior on a molecular scale, a breakthrough that, if this mystery pulled you in, subscribe. The next puzzle is even harder to solve. Could revolutionize medicine by targeting diseases at the source with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine being able to repair damaged tissue or clear out harmful toxins without invasive surgery. This is where such dreams become reality, albeit in a very controlled environment. Another room houses what appears to be an advanced 3D printer, but upon closer inspection, it's much more than that. It's capable of printing not just physical objects but also biological structures. The scientist points towards a small petri dish filled with clear liquid where the machine is currently working its magic. She reveals how this technology can create entire organs from scratch using patient-specific cells, offering hope for those waiting in the heart of tomorrow's lab, where glass walls gleam under fluorescent lights and machines hum with purpose. We delve into realms that once belonged solely in science fiction. The real-world implications are profound, potentially transformative, yet shrouded in mystery. Imagine a future where diseases vanish like morning dew on sunlit leaves. This is the promise of CRISPR technology. With precision slicing DNA strands at will, scientists can edit genes to correct genetic disorders or even enhance traits. But what happens when these tools slip from our grasp? The ethical quagmire emerges. Should we play God by altering human embryos? These questions echo like distant thunder over a bustling cityscape. Consider another marvel: nanobots the size of microscopic grains of sand, capable of traversing blood vessels to deliver drugs directly into cancer cells. This targeted therapy could mean fewer side effects and more effective treatments. However, these tiny warriors have no allegiance. They can be programmed for good or ill. The risk looms: if misused, they might become invasive tools beyond our control. Imagine a world where virtual reality merges seamlessly with the real one, creating experiences indistinguishable from actual existence. This melding of worlds could revolutionize entertainment and education. Students learn by stepping into historical events as though present. Yet, just like any powerful tool, it can be wielded for harm. Virtual addiction becomes a silent epidemic, sapping away reality itself. In the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, we witness machines learning at speeds unimaginable to humans. AI systems analyze vast datasets faster than anyone could hope to sift through them manually. This leads to breakthroughs in climate modeling and drug discovery. But what happens when these intelligent entities surpass human comprehension? The day arrives when, as the lights dimmed in tomorrow's lab, I found myself standing before a screen that seemed almost alive. Its pixels flickered with data streams dancing across it like an intricate ballet of light and shadow. This was not just any lab, this was where tomorrow's secrets were kept. The air here pulsed with anticipation, every fiber of the environment whispering tales of innovation. In one corner, a machine hummed softly as it crafted parts for some unknown project. Its rhythmic clicks reminded me of an old clock in motion, but instead of hours and minutes, this was the pulse of progress. Across from that stood a large monitor displaying graphs and charts so complex they seemed almost alien to human understanding at first glance. But I knew better. These were not random fluctuations or meaningless data points. Each one held clues to unlocking future wonders. As my gaze shifted around me, it fell on a small group huddled together in front of another screen. They wore expressions of intense concentration, as if solving the most challenging puzzle known to humanity. One scientist pointed excitedly at their display while animatedly discussing something with his colleagues. Their excitement was palpable. They were uncovering new truths hidden within layers upon layers of information. I approached them, my curiosity piqued by their evident passion and dedication. "What are you working on?" I asked gently, not wanting to disturb the delicate balance of thought and discussion that seemed so crucial in this moment. The lead scientist turned towards me with a look of barely concealed excitement. He began explaining his project, a device designed to interface directly with human neural networks. Its purpose was nothing less than enhancing cognitive functions beyond what current technology could achieve, unlocking potential previously considered science fiction. "We've made breakthroughs some mysteries refuse to die. Subscribe and keep searching."